If you are a fan of the Matrix movies and would like to have the Matrix theme for your iPhone, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to get this theme for your iOS device. I'm going to show you the application that you need to install, which is free by the way, the app icons and the wallpaper. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to need to download is the wallpaper. I have left the link in the description, so it should be easier for you. Let's go to that link and let's download the wallpaper. Once you are in this page, you just need to click on this button at the bottom and select Save Image. The image will be saved to your library. Now we need to go to the Settings app, scroll down to the wallpaper, choose a new wallpaper, and the wallpaper will be in the recents. So you need to select it, click on Set at the bottom, and you can select Set Both. And that's it for the wallpaper. Now, the next step is to download the icons. Again, I have left the link in the description, so it should be easier for you. So let's go and download the icons. Once you are in this page, you need to scroll down towards the bottom. And when you are at the bottom, you have two options. One is to download the icons only, and the other one is to download the iOS profile. The difference is that if you download the icons only, you're gonna have to apply icon by icon. And if you download the iOS profile, it's a one-time effort and it will do the work for you. Now, I do understand that you might not be willing to install a random iOS profile on your iPhone, so I'm gonna show you both cases. Now, let's start with the icons. You need to click on Download Icons. Once the download is complete, it will be saved to the Files app. We need to open Files. And you see that there is a zip folder and you need to extract it. Click on it. It will extract if you click on the folder. Then you have the icons folder here. If you click on it, you're gonna see all the icons that will be part of the theme. Now let's move on to the Shortcuts app. Now we need to open the Shortcuts. Once you are in the Shortcuts app, you need to click on the plus at the top. And there's an option here to open an app. So we need to click on it. Then you need to click App, so you can select, and let's try, for example, Safari. Once Safari is selected, you need to click on this blue icon at the top, and you need to click on Add to the home screen. Because I don't need any title close to the icon, I will remove the title and I'll just leave the icon. Now you need to click here on this icon and select Choose from File. Because I have downloaded already the icons, you're gonna see that in the recents, the icon will be there. So I will select Safari, for example. Alright, so click on Add, and that's it. Now that the icon is in the home screen, you can just drag and drop to any place that you want to keep it. Now let me give you the example of downloading the iOS profile. If you click here and you click on Download iOS profile, you need to allow it to download. Then it will be downloaded and we need to go to the Settings app. Let's open the Settings app. Once you are in the Settings app, I recommend you to type here Profile. You see here VPN and Device Management. Now you click here on Device Management. And you see that there is the iOS profile that you just downloaded. Green neon app icons. So click on it. Click on Install. You click here on Install. Done. Now once that is done, we're gonna see that all icons were added here with one-time effort. You see? Now let's move to the final step, which is installing the application that we're gonna utilize to install the widgets. Let's open the App Store and let's search for this application called Brass. Then you need to download it. Now, once you are in the application for the first time, you might need to create a profile. During the sign up process, the application might suggest you if you want to sign up for a subscription package or if you want to use it for free by running some ads. I choose it to run it for free with the ads. Now, once you have the application fully installed and with your profile created, you need to click at widgets at the bottom. So once we are in this page, we can add our first widget. In order to do that, you need to click at the plus at the top. Once we are here, we need to scroll to the bottom and we need to click choose style. Let's start with a clock widget. Once you select it, the next step is to select the tint color. Click on it, and then we need to add these exact values. For the red, we're gonna put here 52. For the green, we're gonna add 190. And for the blue, we're gonna add 101. And opacity, 52%. Once we have done this step, you need to click on the plus at the bottom, so you're gonna save this color. Then you can click to close it, and then you have your first widget. Here you need to click on add widget. So widget saved. Let's move on and create our next widget. You click at the plus at the top, then let's create another widget, and let's put this one as a free text. So scroll down to the bottom, you have here the free text widget. Again, we need to click on tint color, and because we saved the color already, then you just need to click at the color that we saved. Click on the X, and that's it. The widget, you click here on add widget. Now let's move to our final widget, which is the calendar widget. So again, we need to click at the plus at the top, scroll to the bottom, and let's select the calendar widget. Again, we need to click on tint, select the color that we just saved, then you click add widget. Alright, so we created the 3 widgets that we're gonna utilize for our team. Now the final step is to add the widgets. You need to click and hold at the home screen until it enters in this mode. Then you need to click at the plus at the top, and then you need to search for brass. Now let's start with the smaller widget. Let's add one smaller widget. That's okay. Let's add another widget here. You do the same, click and hold, click at the top. Let's add another smaller widget. Now let's add the bigger widget. Now, once you have the widgets created, you need to tap and hold, and then edit widget. Then you click here on choose widget, and let's choose, for example, the first one that we created. So this will be the first one that we created. Now we need to do the same with the other widgets. You just press and hold, click on edit widgets, choose widget. Let's choose the other one. And this is the text that we created. Now the final one, edit widget, click on choose, select the widget that we created before, and then it will be there. Let's just move this around here. Let me clean up a little bit this home screen. So that's pretty much it. This is how you create the matrix theme with the background, with the widgets, and with the icons. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next one.